Yeah, it's Sandman Kim Rapper, aka Tsha Venda, aka South Africa. Hey, mna ndono dumesa wa mna. Ende zo dani songola verera. Ndandi si ready mara. Yene upachenda tambira kandishi. You know, the fame is getting to me, but I'm trying to like figure it out and whatever. So I just wanna explain how it feels. You know.
There's instrumentals.
Nendikare ndikorepa tisakuduma doza manga chikuwa azvingoshuma dariira nindizame zva utambera kadzi ndishi maybe one day ndingaduma ndambodhitomotambera kadzi ndishi fene dzambodhiperera out of nowhere my god I don't even know how many friends I really got I don't even know how many friends I really got God damn, being a celebrity is hard, man, when everybody knows you and you don't know everybody. Yeah, it's messed up, I know. You see, my fans don't really know what I be going through. I mean, now I'm famous and the fame is changing people. I don't know what's real or fake. I just listen to my faith. I'm not trying to change my ways. Litambera Kandishi is a legendary hit. You can go and ask Casper on your vest what happened at the mall. I stole the show when I pulled up no Farandishi. I had people calling me, telling me Casper your vest retweeted a video of me Litambera Kandishi at the mall. After that I felt like there was nobody bigger than me. I'm not trying to be mean, I just tell it like it is. Man, it is what it is. When the champ is in the room, became the hip-hop heavyweight champion of the industry. They know me cause I did it for the entire industry. I'm giving back cause you gave me a lot of clout, love. I'm giving back cause you gave me a lot of clout, love. Yeah, I'm giving back cause you gave me a lot of clout, love. I'm giving back cause you gave me a lot of clout, love. Ndikare ndikorepa tisakuduma doza manga chikuwa azvingoshuma dariira nindizame zva utambera kadzi ndishi maybe one day ndingaduma ndambodhitomotambera kadzi ndishi fene dzambodhiperera out of nowhere my god I don't even know how many fans I really got I don't even know how many views I really got.
Life after fame and it's really not the same. Life after fame and it's really not the same. Life after fame and it's really not the same. Upachenda tambera kandishi ticha feel safe. Life after fame and it's really not the same. Life after fame and it's really not the same. Life after fame and it's really not the same. Upachenda tambera kandishi ticha feel safe. Life after fame and it's really not the same. Life after fame and it's really not the same. Life after fame and it's really not the same. Upachenda tambera kandishi ticha feel safe.